Newquay Zoo is home to this family of Visayan Warty Pigs. Endemic to the West Visayan Islands of the Philippines, Warty Pigs inhabit grasslands and forests. In the wild they feed on grasses, roots, leaves and tubers, but here at Newquay Zoo they're fed a tasty variety of foods to stimulate and sustain their healthy appetites. Kathy Baker is Newquay Zoo's Education and Research Officer, and she is conducting a research project on the Visayan Warty Pigs. Pigs really are very social animals and are ranked as the fourth most intelligent animal behind primates, dolphins and elephants. Like all wild pigs, they're shy and retiring by nature, but when threatened or cornered, these Warty Pigs can be dangerous, attacking potential predators.
We have at the moment 2 Visayan Warty Pigs, 2 adults, and we actually, they've just had offspring, so we now have 3 young pigs as well. The research project we've been doing with them is comparing their cognitive abilities against 2 of our domestic pigs. So basically what we've been doing is showing them shapes, and they have to actually discriminate by choosing the right shape. They'll only get rewarded if they choose the right shape, and then we reverse that and we see how quickly they get it, and we've been comparing their results against the domestic pigs. The research project was really good. It was part of a master's project. It's good to do cognitive research within zoos. Lots of people think you can only do cognitive research in laboratories, but we've demonstrated that you can do it quite simply and quite well here in zoos with our pigs. The project itself has been going really well. We found quite different results between the domestics and the Visayan Warty Pigs. The domestics seem to have a textbook response to the stimulus, as opposed to the Visayans. They've had a much more random way of picking their shapes, but they both achieved really good results. We can never really replicate the wild 100%, but we do try and obviously stimulate their lives. We give them lots of environmental enrichment, lots of things to do, lots of similar foods, and lots of mental stimulation as well.
Unfortunately, due to intense farming for their meat and to extreme deforestation, this special species of pig has now joined the ever-increasing list of critically endangered animals and is on the brink of extinction.
We're actually one of only 5 zoos in Europe to actually hold the species at the moment, and they are critically endangered, so it's quite important that we're starting the breeding programme for them, which is why we're really pleased that we have actually bred the 3 offspring that we have this year. We're also trying to raise a lot of awareness with lots of our public, so doing lots of talks about them, and generally, raising awareness is really important because they're species that people don't necessarily think of as being critically endangered. Everyone thinks of your polar bears and your tigers, but it's also things like pigs that need saving as well.
The pigs on the wing,